Vlogmas Day 12. Guys, I hope you are all doing well. Today's gonna be Vlogmas Day 12 and I'm gonna be going over my Christmas wish list. I just want to preface this by saying I did ask for a good amount of things, but in no way, shape, or form do I expect all of these things at all. A lot of these things are kind of more practical. I just feel like as you get older, you just ask for more practical stuff. A couple of things I really didn't need, but just wanted. I really didn't ask for anything too excessive. I just really wanted a couple of things, and I told my mom, I was like, there are a couple of things on here that I really want. So I was like, if you or my uncle or stepdad or my fiance or someone can get them for me, I would greatly appreciate it, because if you don't get it, I'm gonna buy it later. So the first thing on my list is a new makeup bag for my pro kit. If you guys don't know, I am a professional makeup artist, so I do need a new kit every once in a while. I just need a little bit more space, and I would like a rolling one. So I asked for a rolling one that is a little bit bigger, and it really would help to just have it roll, because sometimes I do go on location to do people's makeup, and it's so much easier than carrying it on my back. And if I have a rolling one, I do have another bag where I'll like have my hair stuff, and I can put it like right on the rolling thing, so it'll just work out so well, and I'll be able to travel with it very easily. So that is definitely one of the things that I was like, I really need this. If you can get it for me, please. And a big shout out to my mom, because she did end up buying me a new curling iron, a new flat iron, and a new blow dryer, because my mom is the type of mom where around Christmas time, if I buy anything for myself, she gets mad at me. She's literally like, why would you buy that? I could buy that for Christmas. Because my mom's love language is just gift giving. My grandma's love language was gift giving. I mean, I feel like a lot of people in my family, they love to give gifts and give back. So I am really thankful for that, because I know some families really don't do that, or they only buy for the kids. And trust me, when I have kids, they're getting everything, and I'll get probably one of these things on my list. My curling iron and flat iron both decided to take a crap on me like the same week, literally within like 3 days, I think, of each other. And then my blow dryer, I just like to get a backup, and I got my mom a really good deal, I think, on the curling iron, and then the blow dryer was way cheaper. It's a backup blow dryer, so it's way cheaper than the one that I typically use. But around the holidays, you just never know when it's gonna blow out. By the way, did I say I'm a hairstylist and a makeup artist? Because I meant to say that before. I think I just said makeup artist, but then I mentioned a hair bag. I do hair and makeup for a living. That is my full-time job, and then I am a business owner. I have Noelle Artistry, that is my jewelry / bookish kind of business. I just made all these pretty little bookmarks here. They are on sale for $5 each, so go check them out. Okay, continuing. The next thing, not me literally doing a Glinda toss. That was diabolical. I asked for the Hulkin large rolling tote bag in black. I love the hot pink one, but I mainly want it for when I'm working events where like I have to go and do like a bride's hair and makeup, or like bridesmaids, whatever, family, just an event. Or I'll use it here because we have a wagon, and it's like so huge and bulky for my apartment, because I do live on the 3rd floor. Thank goodness I have an elevator, but it would just be really helpful to bring like groceries up and stuff like that. That'll be much easier, and it's just like way more like compartmentalized. It's just smaller. If you guys hear crinkling, we have crinkle paper on the floor for the cats, like the stuff that comes in like the Amazon boxes, and they're playing with it a little bit. I don't want to disrupt them because it's so cute and they play with it. They love it. The third thing on my list is the new Billie Eilish perfume. I love that girl so much. I just really love her perfumes. I already have all 3 of the ones that look like woman like bodices, and then the one that looks like the silver like dice. It's so pretty, and I don't even know the scent, but everything she does, I just love. I have Gold Bottle, which is a vanilla scent in a body wash or like a shower gel. It's to die for. I love it so much. So I asked for this so I can total my collection of 5 of her perfumes. Yeah, I really want that. That was one thing where I was like, I will buy that myself if no one buys that for me. Only thing I asked for, as I'm seeing here, like skincare related, is the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. I just heard a lot of good things about it, and I would like to try it out myself, and I've read that the ingredients are pretty good. And I do know that ingesting collagen, like drinking it and like having it in your coffee or in your water or whatever, that's, I think, always better. Just like with hyaluronic acid, it's better when you can take it in that way, in like a pill or whatever, rather than topically. So I don't know how good the collagen jelly mask really will be. I have pretty sensitive skin, so we will see how that goes. I asked for a couple of kitchen gadgets. I asked for an oil dispenser. It came in a pack of 2. They're really cute. I got them for my vegetable oil for my banana breads and stuff like that I make, and then like an olive oil for when I make just any other food. And then I asked for an immersion blender, which I'm so excited for because I want to make my own like pasta sauces and like tomato soups and stuff like that. And I've never had one before. So I think my mom has one, but she got it like probably either after I left the house or I just really didn't know about it too much before that. So I really want one of those. I always wondered how people did that. I thought they just blended it up, which I think some people do. You can just do that. But it's so easy when it's all just sitting in the pot and then you just blend it in there. I think my mom is also getting me a handheld like blender. What are they called? I probably sound so stupid right now, but I asked for a handheld blender. She offered it to me and I was like, yes, I would love that. It would just make my life so much easier when I'm making my banana breads. The only electronic item that I'm looking at this list and seeing is a charging station, which was like honestly like 20 bucks on Amazon. I could have bought that myself, but like I said, my mom just wanted like little ideas for me, just little stuff. Like my stepdad can get me an extra little thing, you know, my uncle can get me an extra little thing, give my fiance some ideas. So I asked for a charging station, but I don't have an Apple Watch. So I just wanted one that could charge my phone and my AirPods, because right now with my AirPods, it's a little annoying. I have to have 2 separate chargers. One for like the old iPhone, which is also the AirPods charger, and then the USB-C is now the new iPhone charger, and that doesn't go with my AirPods, and I'm not asking for new AirPods because they're insanely expensive. Also, wait, I just realized, thought of one more thing that I asked for, and I have to write it down real quick. Okay, by the way, 2 electronic things that I actually asked for. I also asked for in-ear headphones. My stepdad is obsessed with these. You have to listen to music with these because you hear every little strum and chord and sound and breath of the singer and everything in these, and he's like, you won't listen to music the same way again, which is why I'm kind of scared, honestly, to listen to music with the in-ears, because I'm like, if I just listen with my regular like AirPods, is it not gonna be like good now? Like that's gonna make me upset. But he's like, you gotta try them. So my mom is either my mom or him or someone is, they're getting me those because they're also getting them for themselves. Okay, I got some beauty products that I should have included with my Medicube gel, but I got the ColourPop Shadow Stick. I don't remember the color exactly, but I'll put it right here. And I got this because I saw a TikTok of a girl who put it on her eyes and it just looks so beautiful, so easy, and so like timeless that it was just like a little shimmer on the lid, and it kind of, when she like rubbed it in, it's like she literally did it with her fingers. And that's the kind of makeup I'm talking about for myself. I love to do like a 5-minute makeup for myself, and then with my clients I like to take my time obviously and like really give them what they want and what they're paying for. But when it comes to me, I mean, that's just being in the industry half the time. Like I don't really have my hair done, it's mostly straight, or just I have some waves in it or something, or I braid it at night and it has like those like beachy waves, more of the crimper wave style. So I wanted to try this shadow stick, and I've always loved ColourPop, so I'm very excited for that one. And honestly, the TikTok just got me. It just looked so cute. And then I asked for these extensions because right now I have tape-ins in my hair and they are the same color as my hair. Like there's a tape-in right here, but it's almost like identical to the color in my hair. So I wanted ones because this is my idea. I want to put some blonde in my hair, and I'll show you a picture like this. It's not going to be exactly this tone, but I think I have another picture that'll be exactly that tone. But I can show you inspo also that I'll post on here. I want to do a hair color like this, and I don't want to do too much damage. So I'm thinking in the front, I'll do the blonde, and then maybe like down here, like I won't even touch it. And I'll even on the sides, like I'll just do the extensions this color, and then I won't have to damage my hair. Also really love the tape-ins. I also feel like I might look like JWoww at some point with all the like light extensions, so I have to be careful where I place them and how many I place. I really probably should have asked for ones my color and ones that color. I'll have to figure it out, and I'll have to have my friends help me. But I really do love these extensions. My mom also ordered me an extension remover, which I'm probably gonna need right after Christmas. Also, we share the same Amazon account, so like I kind of know already like what they're getting me, but honestly, it's still fun to open everything. I mean, what are you gonna do? I'm not gonna tell her to like have a different Amazon account. No one wants to pay for 2 Prime memberships. And then the last couple things on my list are clothing items. I asked for some Garage tops. I love their basic tops. Funny story, actually. I have a little bit of a gripe with Garage now because I have been ordering their shirts for years. I really love their basic tops. They're so pretty, and they're just so, I love the like more square neckline. They're flattering on my shape, and you know, for here, this area here, and they're very soft, and they're like $20 or so. Recently, I ordered 2 shirts, and they were a very different material, which that's my bad for not reading, fine. But then I tried to send them back, and they sent them back to me. Like, I did a whole return, and they sent them back to me. So I'm kind of pissed off at them. I messaged their chat, and I was like, why did they send it back? Like, the guy was investigating it. He's like, oh, they sent it back because they looked worn. They literally could not have ever been worn. I took them out of the package on my dining room table, felt the material, and was like, this is so cheap. Like, I'm not, like, it feels like a cheap, like, I don't know, it was like a different material. But then I ordered different shirts that were the right material. So I was like, I guess they just changed or got a new material of shirts, and I didn't realize because it was a V-neck instead of like that square neckline. So I was like, okay, whatever, different material. I just don't like it. I'm going to return it. They tried to tell me it was worn. It wasn't worn. I'm annoyed at them because now I'm out like $60 because I did not get those on sale. And I returned them and then bought $80 worth of stuff. And I still don't like one of the shirts, so I have to return that one. And I'm wondering if they're going to do the same thing to me. So it kind of feels like a little scam, but I don't know. The guy said I should go in store and try to return them, but now I'm out of my 30-day window. Anyway, I digress. I'll just have to be very, very cautious of the material, or I'll just have to go to the store and see if they have them in store so that I don't run into that problem again, so I don't get angry at them again. I asked for a couple Amazon sets. They're really cute. I'll put them on here. I just need like basic sets. It's actually really funny because I saw a TikTok the other day of a woman saying like, if you wear just like sets that are like the same color, whatever, she was like, you kind of have like no originality and like you're all kind of looking the same, like robots and whatever. My thought process is, a nice set just looks clean and it looks organized and it just looks put together to me. I just feel like in my brain, it just looks, like I said, more put together and just makes me feel more organized. Like having black and white together, or having like 2 things that are gray on or 2 things that are brown. Like I wear this pair of brown leggings and a garage brown top that almost are identical browns. And I wear them together often, and everyone's complimenting me, being like, oh my God, that set is so cute. I'm like, thanks, it's actually 2 different pieces, but blah, 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 from 2 different places. And I wear them and whatever, they match. I got lucky. But I just love a good set like that. So if I'm boring and unoriginal and looks like I have no flavor, I don't really care because they work for me. And I just like how that looks. So don't listen to people on the internet. Do what works for you. The one, I guess, big thing that you can say is a new Coach bag. I think it's like $300. So for some people that's affordable, some people that's still like out of reach. At the end of the day, my uncle really wanted to get me something. Actually, I think it was only $200. No, I'm lying. It was $199, so it was a little bit less. It was $199. My uncle really wanted to get me something, and he's buying me my Coach bag. He, over the years, has always gotten me either like a Sephora or Ulta gift card, or he would get me like my Coach wallet that I have. But I want to get this bag and this wallet, and then I'm also going to get... I ordered it myself, but my fiance is getting it for me. My fiance ordered me a Shein order, which we love a good Shein order. I ordered a bunch of cute little things. This one phone case I'm obsessed with. I can't wait to see it in person. I hope it looks like a nice tortoiseshell in person, and it has a little stand where I can like stand it up and, you know, like be watching something on my phone and just have it like sitting there, standing up. And I'm really excited to get this tortoiseshell or makeup organizer because I want to put my brushes in it. And then it has like 2 little drawers and a couple little things that I can put like lipsticks or something in. I think it's so cute. And honestly, I really want to change out my vanity soon. So this is why I got this color, because this does not match my vanity now. But within the next couple of months, maybe around my birthday or so, I kind of want to treat myself to like a new vanity. But I'm thinking of getting a nice wood color vanity that has the clear top. And I just can't find one that I fully love yet, but I am going to definitely get a new one. It just has to be able to fit my makeup plus my small business stuff. Also, I have another Alex drawer that I kind of want to get rid of and get like a brown color, but I'm kind of just over all the white. I feel like I have a white couch and I have like nice things like that, but for my vanity, I just want it to feel cozier, and I just have been really seeing them lately, and I really love how they look and how they can be styled, and I think the tortoiseshell organizer would look really pretty on it. That will come in time, but I definitely want to get that for myself. And then my point of saying the Shein order and everything is that I'm getting this tiny Coach wallet with it. So I'm gonna have this for when I go out and I just want to put like a little wallet in my bag, or if I go to like a concert. This is what I really love. When I go to a concert, I just have that tiny little wallet just for your cards, and I'll put like a little bit of cash in there, even though most venues don't even take cash anymore. I always just bring like $50 cash. Always try to have cash in your wallet, even if it's just 20 bucks. My grandma said to always just do that, and you just never know when you're gonna need it. So try to always have a little bit of cash in your wallet. That's a little trick. And the last few things that I got from Shein are a new AirPod case that looks like a leopard print, very pretty. I got one of those sticky, what are they called? The suction cup things for the back of the phone, so I could put my phone on my mirror so I can film. My only thing with that is I want to be able to film with my back camera like I'm doing right now. The front camera just isn't the best quality, but at the end of the day, I would rather have content than no content, or just have like to constantly like make up a little makeshift stand, and I don't love the angle. So sometimes I just want it to be able to suction cup onto something. And at the same time though, I am getting a brand new case. It's gonna have a pop socket, so that just might not work, but I ordered one anyway just to have it in case I wanted it. And then I got this really cute cream jacket. I don't think it's gonna be that like heavy, but I really do love Shein's Glow Mode. They have really good stuff. I'm really loving that whole line. It's a little bit more expensive. It reminds me more of like the things you'd kind of get on Amazon, a little bit better quality. Shein is carrying like things on that you would get on Amazon, and they literally have like aloe on there and like Coach stuff. So Shein's definitely stepping up their game with that. My favorite part of the order, so I got two things that I really love. I got these heels that are gorgeous that I'm gonna wear to my Christmas party and probably anywhere else that I can because they're so pretty. And I just love a good like pointed toe and like a kitten heel. I love it so much. And then this black top that I'm probably gonna wear with these satin pants that I have. Although I do have another outfit in mind where I could wear the satin pants and a different outfit. It's like a black tube top, but it's not tight here. It goes out a little bit, and then it's white right here. I mean, that's very Christmas vibe, so I might wear that with the black shoes, and then probably like my YSL purse. The gold of the YSL logo will go really good with the shoes. I just love to match, and then I could wear like a white like jacket. So cute. That's everything that is on my Christmas wish list. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 12. I'm really liking doing a mix of these like sit down videos versus like a vlog, which technically, yeah, Vlogmas. It should be like a vlog. But at the end of the day, this is the only thing that I'm vlogging for today's video. I'm still recording. I'm still making a video. So Vlogmas Week 13, I'm about to film right now, actually. Hint, hint, it's gonna be something fun. I'm gonna be making banana bread today, and then I'm gonna wrap all my presents. I'm gonna get everything done. I have really pretty wrapping paper, so stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 13, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.